Welcome everyone. Today we'll be discussing the key factors to boost your immunity and introduce you to a powerful natural support. So before that, if you are new to this video, I request you to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notifications from our end. So let's dive in right in. A strong immune system is crucial for our overall health and well-being. And the good news is that we can influence it through our lifestyle choices. Firstly, regular exercise plays a vital role in strengthening our immune system. Studies have shown that being physically active can positively impact immune regulation and reduce inflammation. Next up with sleep. Make sure to get at least 7 hours of quality sleep each night. Lack of sleep can weaken your immunity or your immune response, making you more susceptible to infections. Then after, minimizing stress. Minimizing stress is another essential aspect. Chronic stress can directly weaken parts of your immune system and even lead to certain health issues. And remember, moderation is key. Reduce alcohol consumption, as excessive drinking can disrupt immune pathways and hinder your body's ability to defend against infections. And of course, don't smoke. Smoking has been shown to weaken immune deficiencies and increase the risk of infections. While living a healthy lifestyle is very crucial, sometimes our diet may lack essential nutrition. That's where Tonic Greens come into play. Tonic Greens is a powerful blend of over 57 vitamins, minerals, herbs and superfoods, and it contains ingredients like turmeric, spirulina, resveratrol and more. All scientifically proven to support overall health and immunity. The best part is that Tonic Greens comes in a convenient powder form, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Just mix it with water or your favorite beverage and you're good to go. By regularly consuming Tonic Greens, you can expect a range of benefits including improved immunity, digestion, cardiovascular health, increased energy levels, enhanced mood and cognition, and even support for weight management. Tonic Greens is an all-natural formula free from GMOs, allergies, gluten and dairy. And according to customer reviews, it's been well received with no severe side effects reported. So if you're looking for a convenient and effective way to boost your immunity and support your overall well-being, consider trying Tonic Greens. You can find the link from the description down below. And the most important thing is, if you prefer a natural remedy to treat fibromyalgia, chronic pain, skeleton pain, anxiety, depression, migraine or sleep related disorders, Healy may be worth considering. This medical device utilizes microcurrents to regulate cell voltage. For more information, you can visit the link from the description down below. That's all for today's 5 minutes wellness guide. Remember, a healthy lifestyle can be an ally in building a strong immune system. Stay healthy, stay happy, and goodbye. Please do subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.